Hey guys, and welcome back into my channel. Today I wanted to do a little smoky eye tutorial for you using my Milani Gilded Nude eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and we'll jump right into the video. So let's start with the color Do Not Disturb. It's right here on the edge. And we're just going to use a fluffy brush and put that down, starting right in the crease and kind of just doing a wash of color all over the eyelid. We're just kind of priming the canvas and putting down one layer of a lighter shade first so we can build on that with the other colors. And then the next shade I'm going to use is called Chill, right on the edge there. And then I'm going to go in with a medium blending brush to go ahead and apply that color. So because I'm doing a smoky eye, I am going to take this color and put it on top of my lid. Normally I leave that area like a lighter color, and I would just put the darker color in my crease and my outer V. But since I want to do a smoky eye look, I'm going to start with the lid and really pack the color on top of the lid first. And you can go back in again. And then I just work my way up. And also don't forget to go in not too far, but you want to make sure that the entire lid is covered with the eyeshadow. And I'm purposely applying this with a light touch. I'm not trying to completely coat my brush because that way if you make a mistake, it's a lot easier to correct when you're kind of taking your time and layering the color. So as you can see, I'm just covering the lid and I'm working my way up. I don't want to go out too far and I don't want to go in too far. If you go in too far, it kind of makes your eye look a little, you know, black and blue or tired. So now that is good. I just want to go and blend that a little bit, kind of diffusing the edges. You don't want any harsh edges, especially when you're doing a smoky eye. And then you don't just want to put eyeshadow on the top. The whole idea of the smoky eye is the entire eye is smoky. So you're going to go in with a pencil brush and take that same dark color, being careful not to get too much eyeshadow on the brush, and you're going to start adding color to below your lower lashes. So I start first with just, you know, like a line of color. I drag the brush in, but we're going to go back and smoke that out as well. So I'm going to actually take the fluffiest brush, and what you want to do is just pinch the brush together, and you're just basically blending and diffusing the color that you just put down, and kind of just, you don't want a sharp line of color. I'm gonna actually go in with my medium shade blending brush and make it even more smoky, adding more color to it. And you're just gonna keep going over and over until it looks like you have color all the way around your eye. You even want to bring it in a little bit more underneath here. And of course, like when you're first doing this, it looks a little crazy because you don't have your eyeshadow on, you don't have your mascara on, but it's all gonna pull together once we add eyeliner, mascara, and everything else. That's just why I started out with already having the rest of my makeup on, because I just want to focus on how to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other eye to kind of catch up. Just want to make sure I have color down. Again, we're going to go in, lay down that color, make it darker, make sure the whole area is covered. Just back and forth in your windshield wiper motion. It takes time to do this. Definitely wouldn't have time to do this before work, or nor would I really want to have that you know, intense or glamorous of a look. And for me, because of my eye and my age, I am taking the color up a lot higher probably than you might be. I have a hooded eye, so my lid needs to have that darkness when I look straight ahead, and as you get older that skin falls, so you really, when you look straight ahead, you don't want your eyeshadow to disappear. So that's why you're taking that color up based on a lot of different things. I mean, even if you're 20, you may have a lid that, you know, doesn't exactly do what you want it to do or look the way you want it to look. So the next color I'm going to go in with is the color Sunny. It is a shimmering gold, and I want to add this to my inner corner. So now I'm going to take a flat brush that I'll link down below and just get a little bit of this on my brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that onto my inner corner as well. I'm gonna kind of bring it in a little bit as well on top of the lid. This is not really as bright as most, you know, like times I would add a shimmer to my inner corner, but I like the effect of having multiple different shades, if you can see that there. And it just like adds a little bit of dimension. The other thing I'm going to do, going with this brow color called Weekend, or Weekender. And I just want to pop that onto my brow. And then I'm going to also go in with this color Pampered. It's like a bronzy shimmer, and I just want to take a little bit of that and put it right on the middle of my lid, just keeping it low. And now I'm gonna go back with my middle brush and really just smoke out my lower lash area. Just going back and blending a little bit more. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner using the Lancome, my favorite. Again, I will link this below. This is the color Black. Not bringing it all the way in on the bottom lash, just to the middle. And then on the upper. And then my other eye here. I am lining the inside of my upper eye, a waterline on the top. I always make sure I do this when I do a smoky eye. Just adds a little bit of extra oomph. And then I'm going to go over top of that with a black liquid liner. Next thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. And then we're going to go ahead and add a black mascara. When I do a smoky eye look, I make sure I put plenty of mascara on the lower lashes. This is obviously an evening look. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel below, and then you will not miss a single upload going forward. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below, and please do comment what you thought of this eyeshadow palette. Are you loving it? Do you own this palette? I'd love to hear what you have to say down below. I answer every single comment, and it was a pleasure having you guys today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.